In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted GitHub repositories. Whether it was a momentary lapse or an accidental click, losing a GitHub repository doesn't have to be a permanent mistake. Stick with me as we walk through the steps to get your crucial data back. First things first, head over to GitHub and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to your profile picture located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see a list of options. Select Settings. This will be your gateway to personalizing and managing your GitHub experience. Now, as we move further, you want to focus on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a section labeled Repositories. Click on it. This section houses all your repositories, whether active or inactive, and acts as the control center for everything you do with your projects. Next, within the Repositories section, you'll find an option called Deleted Repositories. Go ahead and click on it. It's important to note that it might take GitHub up to an hour for a deleted repository to appear here after you've deleted it. So, some patience might be required if you don't see it immediately. This delay is quite normal and is just part of GitHub's system processes. Now comes the crucial part. Once you have your deleted repositories in view, it's time to find the one you wish to restore. Scroll through your list if necessary, and once located, you'll see an option to restore next to the repository in question. Click on Restore, and this will initiate the retrieval process. Lastly, a confirmation will be required to ensure that nothing happens accidentally at this stage. You'll likely see a prompt asking you to confirm the restoration. Double verify that this is indeed the repository you want to revive. Confirming this action is your final step toward bringing your repository back to life. And there you have it, a complete guide to successfully restoring a deleted repository on GitHub. With these steps, you can confidently retrieve any lost projects and ensure your work continues uninterrupted. Remember, making mistakes or accidental deletions is just part of working with technology, and luckily GitHub has built-in measures to assist in recovery. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever needed, and don't hesitate to share this guide with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.